Alright, so I got my foundation on and we're ready to conceal and highlight. Yeah. If you haven't already done so, go on and push that subscribe button before. Don't be using me and abusing me this year. Like, I need y'all to, handle that. Alright, so now I'm done doing that. Alright, so like, what's the deal with concealing and highlighting and all this yummy stuff? So it's very easy. So first thing let's do is highlight. I am super light because this is my winter color. Oh, and I am using Too Faced all up in here today. Okay, Born This Way in the color caramel. So I'm caramel right now for the winter. Yeah. So it really depends on like highlight. What does that mean? Highlight means what you want to be brighter, what you want to stand out. That's what you use your concealer for. People conceal in many different ways. Some people just do that. Do this, a little line here, like this. Do a dot. You can do a heart or whatever. You can, whatever it is, it's gonna blend the same. Okay? But I like to, I like the little triangle thing going on, I like that. But, it's all gonna blend. You take your beauty blender and you blend it out with the tip. Just the tip. So, blend. And then let's get all that. And you take it all the way up here, right here. And then push it into your nose for that natural snatch. Definitely want to be snatched. Gotta be snatched. How do you know when it's blended? When it's like not like this, or like this, or like this. When you can barely see the concealer, only because you know that you put it there, then and only then are you done blending. Yes, blend. I don't bake anymore. I just put it on there, and I'm done. Right? Some people love to bake. Alright. So, of course, my camera died. It just would not be me doing a video if my camera did not die. So, clearly I put lashes on. These are like super natural because this whole natural vibe. Now we're gonna learn how to contour. So we already had a highlight. Can you believe that I just stood here without like setting my face? So again, I'm going with the LA Girl setting powder in the color 115. This is like throwback for real. Oh my gosh, I know I'm with my winter color when I bring up this 115. Oh. So everywhere you conceal, that's where you put the powder. Okay, so I don't know why I was orange in the other one, but yeah, this is me looking like Uncle Fester up in this mug. Black eye and pale face. Alright, so I think I'm gonna keep it natural. I like this natural thing we got going on. So I'm going to actually snatch with my MAC bronzing powder in the color Golden. Yeah, Golden. So I'm gonna use that, And I'm just going to use the same brush that I did before. It's kind of like an angle. And again, this is the M104. So I'm going to take that and put it on like this. Like, here, where's your cheekbone? Right here. So this is my cheekbone. Like that. Can you tell the difference? Here. And you want to push it into your hairline. You can cup it if you want. Cup that cheek. Get under that chin. Yeah, snatch me up. And while you're doing that, you're putting that color back into your face. So I'm really feeling this e.l.f. palette. It's the blush palette. And I like the options they give. You know, we got the little pinky pink, little light pink, little pink with like blush. Not like blush, but like a little shimmer to it. And this is like, I like this for darker. Like when I have darker clients, I use this because it's like, I don't know. It's like it goes on really well on darker skin. So like I think I'm going to mix these two colors. And I'm just gonna use the same brush. Why not? So boom boom bam 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 bam. So where you put your blush is like right here, like over here, not right here, unless you. What the heck, man? It's good. Don't trip. Ooh, that could have been a disaster. That's gonna be really upset. I like to pat it on. Circular motion. I don't know. There's something about blush that just makes you want to do like circular motion. It's the apple of your cheeks, girl. Apple of your cheeks, girl. Like my favorite part is I gotta shine on them. Gotta shine on them. Shining, 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 yeah. Alright, that's enough of that. So Santa has been really good to me. And when I mean Santa, I mean me, because I just been buying a lot of stuff. Like, okay, your bills is due, but I need it. Okay. Do you see this? Artist Couture Jackie Aina came out with these two highlights. Okay. Oh, I'm talking about La Peach. Yes, I'm talking about LeBron. Oh. Ooh. Look at these, okay? Like, what? What? Oh my god. These are like popping. Wow. Like these bad boys are like boom. Shoot, I don't know which one to do. I'm thinking that's why. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't even tell you like which one is which, right? How dare Okay, so this one right here is La Peach. La Peach. That's on the T. I got these nuts in my mouth. I got these nuts in my teeth. Okay. So, again, this is La Peach. La Peach. Ooh, shine, shining, 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 yeah. La Peach. And this is La Bronze. La Bronze. Okay, so La Peach looks like La Famille. Peachy, peachy. Looks good from me. So what brush do I... Oh, why? Why'd you have to do them like this? What did we do to... Oh, I can't wait to glow on them. Glow on them, glow on them. And you don't even need a lot either, I bet. Man, that was just like a little tad bit. What if I go old school and use one of these bam bam? Alright, so I'm going to use Morphe's M310. And we're about to glow. Oh, hold on. Oh, ew. Ew. Ooh-wee. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes. I don't even think I need a lot. Like, this little bit, I think this gonna be more than enough. Wow. Whoa. Alright. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, wow. 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 Yeah, I knew I didn't need a lot. Wow. 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 Ooh. Ooh, come on. Oh, man. Oh, I just want to bathe in this. Whew. Now, Jackie, mind you, I just used some, like, I have used a lot, and I'm glowing like this, like, what? Oh, what? I'm a glittery princess, what? And I'm not gonna add too much because I do not like to be like stupid shiny on my nose, but yeah. Ooh, man, forget this little man. Come on, why you gotta do me like that? I gotta put something in this bra bone. I got to. Oh, it's just, oh, yes. Come on. Like, why are you doing this right now? Like, what's up with you? Jackie. Ah, yes. Oh. If I don't have nothing in this life, I got this highlight. Ooh. Oh. 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 Yes. For this lip, I'm going into Maybelline Purely Nude. Bam. And it's in 110. And fun fact, your lip thingy. Your lip thingy goes on better when it is moisturized. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Doo doo. Doo doo. Doo doo. Oh. And I don't know why, but I always put my foundation on my lips. I don't know why I do that, but I do. Almost forgot. I got so excited about the highlight. I forgot to snatch my contour. Like this. Now this is completely optional. That just brings it out more. Just like getting snatched. Yeah. Oh, I feel terrible. Almost forgot about that. I don't keep it on for long. I wipe it off. Like my bronzer or something. You don't have to wipe it off with something. I just like to. You see how it just leaves that snatched. That little crisp line, you know, snatched. I don't like that line, so I take it off. But yeah, okay. Oh, Anastasia. Come on. I'm gonna do some trust issues. Yeah. Trust issues. You got to get popping. So yeah. I'm feeling this little lip. Yeah, I'm